Are you a steak lover? Do you know about the most expensive steaks in the world? In this video, we will tell you more about the 7 most expensive steaks in the world. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. Steak meals are almost always a sure way to stimulate someone's appetite, whether it's a classic cut prepared in the conventional way or artisanal beef with a modern twist. They're usually served grilled, pan-fried, or broiled in North America. Steak knives with wooden handles and steak sauce are used to prepare the dish. Steak dinners in the United States include a starchy side dish, a small portion of sautéed vegetables, and a dinner roll. Steak dinners in the United Kingdom typically include chips, fries, fried mushrooms, a fried tomato, or other vegetables, and condiments such as English mustard and ketchup. In France, steak frites, steak and French fried potatoes, are eaten with a green salad. Here are some of the most expensive steaks. Number 1. Select Special Kobe Fillet. The least most expensive steaks on our list are the Select Special Kobe Fillet. As the birthplace of Wagyu beef, the Kobe Renga-Tei Steak Restaurant in Kobe, Japan, should be on this list. The 5.6-ounce fillet is produced in an all-female kitchen for a comfort element. It comes with salmon, salad, and dessert, possibly to help justify the price. A fine Japanese paper wraps the steak before lying on a copper and iron grill, which is the secret to their cooking. This method of grilling wild pig is similar to that used by professional sumo wrestlers during the Edo era 200 years ago. In addition to the ritual of this opulent cultural feast, the steak is presented in traditional pottery. Number 2. Charbroiled Kobe Fillet. Next on our list of most expensive steaks globally is the Charbroiled Kobe Fillet. A Wagyu restaurant in Tokyo serves this 8-ounce steak. The restaurant is well known for its high-quality food. The chef's simplistic seasoning of this pricey meat with only mustard and pepper, highlighting the primary flavors already present in the beef, reflects the plain decor. According to Forbes, Aragawa is a location to eat with caution because the average bill is $370 per person. Number 3. Full-blood Wagyu Tenderloin. This is the signature dish of Sydney, Australia's prime restaurant, which delivers a huge 14.1 Wagyu tenderloin with a marbling score of 9+. The steak is quite tender and has a lot of delicious fat. The steak is made from the meat of calves nourished for over 600 days. Wagyu meat has the highest score outside of Japan and is also the most expensive and luxurious. David Blackmore, Australia's award-winning Wagyu rancher, breeds and raises the cattle in Alexandra, Victoria, and his meat is solely sold to Sydney's prime restaurant. The full-blood Wagyu tenderloin is one of the most expensive steaks globally, costing $295. Number 4. Wagyu American or Japanese. Wagyu is distinguished by its light color and rich marbling, and is often regarded as one of the most incredible meats on the market. The most famous is Japanese Wagyu, which sells for more than $300 per pound on average, with individual cows reaching more than $30,000 at auction. The cattle are fed a diet of grasses and natural grains, which farmers regularly monitor to provide the highest potential yield. American Wagyu, often known as New York Wagyu, is another contender. However, it bears little resemblance to its Japanese counterpart. Although the animals, rearing methods, and grading system are all different, American Wagyu still sells for roughly $150 per pound and is a great way to get started with gourmet beef. Number 5. A5 Kobe Strip Steak. The A5 Kobe Strip Steak is also one of the most popular yet most expensive steaks globally. A 12-ounce Kobe strip steak costs $3.50, and it is served in Big Apple style at the Old Homestead Steakhouse in New York. Despite the high price, these steaks are a popular menu item. The restaurant serves up to 25 of them per night. The cows are restricted from grazing, so that fat develops over the muscle. No free range here, sadly. but the result is meat that melts on your tongue. According to those rumors, the cows receive massages, so it can't be all that bad. Number 6. Kobe beef steak. This is sold at the award-winning Biftec Kawamura Premium Kitashinchi restaurant in Osaka. This steakhouse charges 43,450 yen, approximately $395, for a 5.3-ounce steak of highest award-winning Kobe beef. The dish is accompanied by dipping sauces and a variety of seared veggies. Additionally, Biftec Kawamura obtains its meat from award-winning events such as the Kobe Beef Fair, where only the best-kept cows are displayed, and only the most exclusive restaurants can make the grade. Only 3,000 cows in the world are verified as Kobe beef grade at any given moment. And none of them live outside Japan. Number 7. Milsancote de Birth. The Milsancote de Birth is the most expensive steak globally at $700 per steak. The beef for this steak comes from the Palmerd Butchery in Paris, a farm where the cow's stress levels are closely controlled to prevent spoiling. This steak lunch is part of a special chef's menu at Hong Kong's Caprice Restaurant, part of the Four Seasons Hotel. This restaurant was granted 3 Michelin stars in 2019 to demonstrate its worth, and it certainly deserves it. When consumers pay $700 per person for a steak, they want to know they're getting a good deal. So there you go, these are the 7 most expensive steaks globally. If you are a steak lover, you should at least try 1 or 2 in your lifetime. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.